here, y'all. I made it safe and sound with the kids.
Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Right now I'm outside. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, we're gonna do an unfurnished apartment tour. I'm so excited to show you guys my new home. So if you guys are excited, stay tuned, watch the whole entire video. Like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on.
Welcome home.
Hi. Come in. Lyric is behind the scenes. Say hi, Juju. Say hi, Mimi. Okay, so you guys are probably like, what the hell is going on to see Eddie in the video with me? I want to know, you guys have a lot of questions.
We'll do another video on our channel.
We'll do another video. If you don't know and you're new here, we have a channel, a couple channels called Eddie and Michelle, but it's actually been under construction, obviously. If you know, you know. But just stay tuned, so if you want to know everything about how we got here, make sure you subscribe to Eddie and Michelle's channel. I'll put it here and I'll put it in my description. But without further ado, we are gonna give you an unfurnished luxury apartment tour. This is the kitchen. I absolutely love the sink. These are all like amenities that I've never had. So it has like the marble countertop. Super beautiful. It has like a really deep sink. It has a garbage disposal inside as well. Let me show you. Don't put your hand down there. Don't put your hand down there. Really cool sink. I've never had a sink that like comes out like that. So it has like the regular flow, and then it has like the shower effect, which is really nice. Me and you can turn that off for me. You know I love my soaps or whatever, so I grabbed that. So here we have beautiful cabinets. As you guys know, in my other apartment, I had a lot of cabinet space, but they were a little on the old side. You know, the house is very old, so I'm very happy with the cabinets. Don't mind the stuff here. You know, we just had to get little stuff until we get situated with the, there we go, that's better. It has like the gold trimming, very modern look, which is really, really nice. The backsplash right here is very beautiful.
So pretty.
Very luxury, and I love that we have these sockets, which is really cool. The stove, listen, the stove is just different. I had an electric stove at the other place, but I've never had the knobs right here. Usually the stoves are obviously back here, so this is definitely different.
And the microwave too.
The microwave is built in, which is a very good perk as well. Here is the stove, very nice stove. Boom, bam, boom. And then there's more cabinets right here. A lot of space to put your seasonings and stuff like that. You guys know I'm big on organization and like cooking, so this is gonna be awesome. More cabinet space as well. What I like about this is that the cabinets are gray with the golds. So it really looks really beautiful, very modern, very luxury. And then if you turn over here, here's a dishwasher, which is another perk. I've never had a dishwasher, y'all, so I'm really excited to have a dishwasher. This is a stainless steel refrigerator. I always wanted a refrigerator with the whole ice maker, but don't worry, that's coming soon. This is stainless steel, baby, so we definitely upgraded. Inside, of course, we just got here, so I just made sure, you know, we got waters, apple juice, fruit and stuff for the kids. But don't worry, that's gonna be filled soon. And then in the freezer, I got some frozen foods, and we have an ice maker, so that's awesome as well. I'm grateful because I didn't have that as well either. Right here, we have a pantry, which I'm really happy to have. I had one in my other apartment, but it was, we're not gonna talk about it, but this is more open. And of course, if you know me, you know I got snacks. So we just got some chips, some cups, some paper towels, just some things to get us going for right now.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a lot of stuff to come in the mail, but I really love that I have this.
I love how nice the doors and the doorknobs.
The handles on the door, again, is giving very luxury. Even though we do have a little island right here, I was thinking maybe we could put like bar stools right here. And one thing I really love is the flooring. Vinyl flooring is absolutely beautiful. And so it's flooring all throughout the whole apartment. And then there's carpet in the bedrooms, which is awesome. I have so many ideas of like how I want to decorate and just make it so homey. It's just beautiful. The lights are gorgeous, and I love the tall ceilings. It's just a vibe in here. It's literally a vibe.
The This probably gonna be a little bit of living room and dining room, just
Yeah.
because of space wise.
Maybe right here we could put like a small
Little dining room.
a little
table,
dining room
a
table.
little square one.
In the living room, also in the kitchen, is another closet.
Probably be a coat closet.
Don't mind it. Again, we just got the Wi-Fi and stuff, so those boxes will not be there. But really good for coats when we have visitors or whatever the case. We can just put our stuff inside as well.
Yeah, we're gonna probably have maybe a dining room table like right here, something small, just in this little area.
We don't have that much space,
Yeah.
but it's cool.
And whatever, this is the rest of the living room. As you can see, lighting is beautiful, it's great, excellent. Look at the ceilings, y'all already know what it is.
Ceiling fans.
Before they came in, I wanted to just make sure that everything was gonna be everything in terms of technology, because I knew how big it is for them to have TV, especially Justice more so. Wi-Fi is hooked up already. We got this nice little.
We got this 55-inch TV mounted, which is really cool for the kids, so we can watch movies.
Awesome.
Oh, wow.
When I watch TV, I like to be close up on the TV, so really nice feature. If you watch BMF Empowered, then you already know.
We
Those are
about
our
to be on
shows.
that, yeah.
Let me know if you watch BMF. What I like about this as well is that there's a lot of sunlight. I love sunlight.
That's cool. With the sun.
Listen, because in the other apartment it was very dark and it was very dreary, and I feel like when it's dark it can affect your mood. I'm not gonna open them because then you guys don't know where we stay at. I'm thinking about getting some plants that I can hang around. Hanging plants. When you come into this room, don't mind the mess. Again, we're just moving, so it's going to be, we're getting things together. This is gonna be Lyric and Mia's room. It's very beautiful, but space-wise is not as big as we expected. So we are gonna do bunk beds again for them, and they picked out this beautiful bed. They are gonna design their own room. Let me turn this fan off because it's cold. I'm learning these. Even the buttons are different.
Those is fancy.
They're fancy, right? You gotta get used to the fanciness.
Yeah, you don't flick them.
Right. So they had an idea that they wanted a truffle bed. So basically the bunk on the top, the bunk on the bottom, and then you can pull a third bed out. Just got these mattresses from their old bed because again, we had no bedding. So
Yeah, they had to hold that
we
down.
wasn't gonna put our babies on the floor. That wasn't gonna work.
And then they have this nice closet here.
Right.
Yep.
Just have their jackets and their blankets in there, but this is a good space for them. We're also gonna get them dressers and stuff as well, but I love this because Mia can have one side, Lyric can have another side. I love the closets, I love the handles on the closets. Everything is just so different. Moving on up to the east side.
Right in the kitchen.
Now coming over here is like a nice little walkway, which I absolutely love. And then when you open this, ta-da! I was waiting for that sound. I'm gonna put that sound
Yeah,
in
you
there.
know
But I'm very, very happy about this feature because if you know, you know. In a lot of my videos, I was never able to do laundry. I'm pretty sure you guys never seen that because I wasn't fortunate enough to have it. So this was something that we really wanted and we're really grateful. We needed. You have children. They're constantly going through their clothes and it was very hard on me, hard on us to do this.
I have to go back and forth all the time to the laundromat, lugging laundry bags on laundry bags.
It was just
you
hectic.
spend too much.
You spend a lot of
spend too
money.
much.
It's very hectic, so I'm really grateful and appreciative to have this. And then we could also, as little as I am, I'm gonna need a step stool because
Yeah,
you know
you
your
need-
girl little. I can put all of the laundry detergents up here and make it nice and organized.
This is our boiler.
Yeah, you guys don't care about the boiler. You don't care about that. Brings us into the next room. Mia's gonna do it. She's gonna do the honors.
This is the bathroom.
Ah. Yes. So that's the bathroom, which I absolutely love. First of all, it's the mirror for me. The lights are, it's giving like Airbnb hotel vibes. Honestly, it's really, really nice. And then
Marble sink, of course.
it has a marble sink, and then it also has like a really deep sink, which is really nice. I love the faucet. It's really pretty. You know, hang your towel right here. Another socket right here, which is pretty cool. We have a linen closet, which is dope. Always wanted a linen closet, and now I have a linen closet to organize everything. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be extra. The towels is gonna match the washcloths. It's gonna be really fun. And also, we have another rack right here to hang your towel. Fill a tissue holder, like this is giving fancy, okay? I'm used to the old school ones, y'all, so just understand how happy I am. And this is the shower. I absolutely love this. It has like the rod is different. It's not like the regular rod, but it's so tall. Like the camera does no justice.
Yeah, I
It
can't
has to
even
be-
show you the top.
The top is so tall, but I love this because I'm a shower type person. The detail on this is absolutely beautiful.
Look, see?
It looks beautiful.
Beautiful.
The head of the shower is gorgeous. This, I don't even know, how tall is this? 9 feet? Yeah, it's literally like 9 feet tall and it's so beautiful. I cannot wait to take a shower. Over here, we have a lot of space, you know, to put stuff down here, obviously. I'm gonna try to organize it, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do a lot of videos, y'all. A lot of drawers to put like hair stuff, probably. All of my blow dryers and all of my curling irons and stuff like that. But I just love the detail. The detail is just beautiful. It just gives luxury. It's very clean and modern. And this room is Juju's room. Juju finally has his own room. I feel like this is the perfect size for him. Every room has ceiling fans, which is a perk. Like, it's very needed. I'm not used to like...
And they nice ceiling fans.
Right.
And
And it's
cherry wood.
Right. It's very fancy. So in the summertime it's really good because I heard it gets real hot down here. Just got him this little baby shark bed or whatever, just to get him comfortable because I just wanted to make sure he was gonna be okay. But he took it much easier than all of us. He was so excited. Like all of us were trying to adapt more, but we'll talk about that in another video. Y'all know I'm long-winded. But yeah, so this is Juju's closet. Right now it's just his jacket there, but I love this space because he doesn't have as much clothes as we do, so we gotta watch him. So when we can't find him, then we know he's probably in the closet, but yeah, it's really high up there too. So if he needed to stack stuff, it goes really high up, literally like really high. Like, you guys know when you move somewhere, it's gonna take time to get your house built up.
Weeks,
We're gonna definitely do like a whole finish tour as we do everybody's room, so just stay tuned for that because,
Little by little.
you know, exactly, little by little. All right, let's go to the next room.
This is where all the magic happens.
Everybody says that.
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm saying it.
So cliche. This is the master bedroom. Same exact setup for like everything. Beautiful windows. I love these. I didn't mention it, but I love these blinds. I'm not gonna open it too much because again, privacy.
We're gonna give away the location.
Right, we're gonna give away the location, but this is our room. We're trying to figure out like how we want to set up the bed and stuff like that. Again, we just moved, so we're gonna get stuff ordered in the mail each day. It is a little smaller than our room where we used to live.
What we're used to.
Yeah, because our room in New York was super big. That was one of the perks about living there. We had the biggest bedroom, even with my king size
We were
bed.
spoiled.
Right, I had so much space in that room, so you know I had to downgrade a little bit, but I prefer quality over anything, and so I'm fine with this. Then you come here, and you have a great walk-in closet. This is gonna be a problem.
No, it's not.
As you guys know, I have a lot of clothes, right?
This is gonna be our closet.
So this should just be my whole closet, and you could just get a little dresser.
But am I gonna have to?
No,
am I have to live out the trunk?
No, but I'm going to compromise, okay?
I get a shelf.
He's gonna get right here, and the remainder is mine, but I love it. So don't mind all this stuff again.
It will never look like this again because her stuff will saturate everything.
No, it's gonna be organized, but I love the fact that I can just come in here if I need to take a break. I can just come in here, I can read it quietly and silently and just still have space.
This is a level up.
This is definitely a level up. So yeah, so it's a great closet. It's really great. Love it, love it, love it, love it.
This is where all the washing happens.
This is our second bathroom. We're gonna show you. This is the second bathroom. Okay. Yeah, this is the second bathroom. Again, we have the beautiful mirror, which is absolutely stunning. Like, I love this as women. Y'all know we need mirrors. The fact that I have all of this space right here to do my makeup, to do my hair, it makes me feel really good because our other bathroom was so small, I couldn't move. It was literally like,
well, we couldn't all fit in there at the same time.
we all couldn't fit in there, and it was really small. So this gives me more breathing room. It's supposed to be like this, you know, it's well deserved. And then the lights again, I don't know what you call these lights, guys, so if you know, you can comment, but they're beautiful. It's just a vibe. A lot of space to put all of our girl stuff in.
I see that.
No, you can have your stuff too.
Oh.
Who has more stuff, me or you?
You by a long shot.
Then we have a beautiful bar right here, you know, for towels or whatever. And then
this is elegant too.
it is very beautiful. And then, another beautiful shower
Humongous.
and a beautiful tub. It's giving
That's giving
whirlpool.
jacuzzi.
It's giving.
That's Waldorf vibes right
It's
here.
definitely giving.
This is at the W vibes.
It's giving. It's going down. If you're watching this, Mama, Nanny, cover your ears. I can't get over this decor, like this design.
This is hotel B&B.
Airbnb.
You know,
It's beautiful.
full estate
And
vibe.
we can talk about the bar. So I'm used to having like the basic bars.
Mimi?
I could. What's a Mimi?
Mimi. I love a hip hop. She's on
Yeah, so this is like, it's curved. It's not like a regular bar, so I love that. I love the elegance in all of this. It's just so tall and so big. Yeah, so stay tuned because a lot of content is gonna come for you guys, especially with the hair videos. Now I have more space and it'll be way better, okay?
And I'm just gonna start doing shower routines now at this point.
Tell
so,
him, make sure you guys subscribe. It's at Westside 4 because we're gonna get him to do some more uploading. Tell him to upload more.
Morning routines, things like that, like self-care videos. Probably my room.
Yeah, right.
I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my room. This is my favorite part of the house.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's
So
like a
this.
little patio. We have like
It's
our
like a
own
little
personal
deck
patio.
area. It's like a lobby. Like I'm very city, so I'm gonna call it lobby. It's like a lobby. Before we get into the house, it's like the preliminary. You take your shoes off over here. I know, babe. You know she been dying for this. She wants that egg chair. We gonna get her.
I'm getting the egg chair, guys. I've always wanted an egg chair.
Definitely gonna find a space in order for probably like I can see it like going right here.
Somewhere.
Or like right here in the corner.
Yeah, we have time for that. I'm not gonna show you guys behind me because then that's just too much.
Once again, the location.
Right, but it's really spacious and I love it because there's 2 sockets out here. So if I just want to sit down, clear my mind, or whatever the case may be, God does things for a reason, and we can't question it, and we won't. We're just gonna live in the moment and we're gonna embrace it. And although it's a little weird for me and for everybody, we will adapt. Change is always good.
It's a new thing for all of us, so we're all gonna have to grow together and learn this whole entire thing together. So.
Pretty much. That's pretty much it because we all we got at this point. You know what I'm saying? We don't have our family here, so we're gonna have to figure it out one way or another. But to all of you guys who did comment down below and say, North Carolina, you guys were pretty right. I didn't want to tell them until they saw you. And if you've been watching Eddie's channel, then you would probably know where he's at. And then once you saw him, then you guys put 2 and 2 together. So your girl's in the Carolinas.
The NASCAR state.
We in the NASCAR state.
We're in the NASCAR state.
But I'm still repping New York all day, period. Them license plates is still NY, period.
Yeah, I heard you, but see, here's the thing. We ain't gonna be able to pull up anywhere without them being like, y'all from New York?
Yeah, we gotta rep New York all day. Without a doubt, we just gotta rep. We from New York, period. Period. Felt good to wake up and be with my loved ones and be somewhere different, you know? I'm still in shock, as you guys can tell. And if my energy's a little lower, just know I'm trying to process this. I'm tired, mixed emotions, but I'm grateful.
But it's all about good vibes and love.
I'm just grateful. God made it happen for us, and I'm just so grateful to have to elevate. It gets deeper. I'll talk to you guys in another video. I wasn't sure if I wanted to open up my life like that, but I just feel like God put it on my heart to really let you guys know why this is so big for me. It feels to be in your new house.
It's good.
Does it feel different?
Yeah.
Is it everything you wanted?
Yes.
It's everything you guys wanted. And we're so blessed and we're so thankful. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for supporting me, watching the videos, leaving comments. We love you guys so much. So stay tuned for more videos. I hope you enjoyed the Unfurnished house tour. Real quick, another little recap. It's beautiful. I'm thankful and stay tuned for more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next upload.
Peace.
Simply Michelle.